Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. Mphasis announced new onboarding date. Previously we have discussed that few candidates have got their onboarding date as 16th August, but today few candidates have received their onboarding date as 17th August 2023. So if you haven't received any onboarding date, I request you to wait because they are sending in batch wise. This is the screenshot of today's onboarding template from the campus hiring team. Congratulations, your date of joining is on 17th August 2023. Please note the below terms and conditions related to your onboarding. All semester mark sheets and degree certificates are mandatory. PAN card, Aadhaar card and passport are mandatory. If you don't have passport, go apply today and you can keep the acknowledgement letter with you. You are required to work in any shift as per the business requirement. You are required to be flexible to relocate to any Mphasis location as per the business requirements. And the another point that to be noted is, considering the current pandemic situation, we have planned for remote onboarding and online training for now. That's all for today's video. If this information is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.